Hello everyone, Prince here from KNP Consultants. Today I am going to demonstrate you how we can eliminate hours of manual drafting of Beam LS in CAD with help of our software and save valuable time. So this software uses Beam schedule in Excel to generate Beam LS. Let's get into the action. First, let me show you what Excel file looks like. In this Excel, we have all data of every beam. Details like sizes, top and bottom reinforcement, shear reinforcement, its length, its support details, everything is in this Excel. Each beam group is separated by the blank row. The software reads all this data and draws LS in CAD. Now let's get into the CAD. In CAD environment, type CONBMSEC command, which is CONBMSEC, and from which we can click on from Excel file and select our Excel, which we just saw. Once we select it, all the details of beam are shown here. We can select all these parameters here, and also we can select the layers in which we want to draw our lines and text and all things. Okay, and then we need to select draw sections. Once we select draw sections, we just need to click section and drawing will automatically start drawing LS of each beams, which we can see. Once the software draws the beam, we can just look how detailed and accurately it has drawn everything. Each detail of the beam, such as main reinforcement, extra reinforcement, stirrups, number of stirrups, its spacing, all this is accurately drafted. Each detail is customizable. It does not look like it has been generated using software. Most importantly, it reduces human error, and this process turns a half-day drafting job into a 2-minute task with zero errors, which leads to less project cost, and moreover, this time can be utilized in analysis of structure. Each step in this process can be customized based on the user requirement. For more details, you may contact us. For more automation tools, subscribe our YouTube channel.